Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Instagram app video tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we are going to design our sign up form. So let's start. I'm in our demo app. So here's our app which we are building. Sign up and sign in form we already have here. On click sign up, it should look like this. On click, a form up will appear with a logo and three input fields and a button. So let's start. I'm going to in material UI and search here model. I'm going to copy this model. Here is all the code is available, you can read from here. I'm just going to copy this model and just go to app.js. Actually, I'm going to close post.js, comment.js and post.css. Here before header, I'm going to paste the model which we copy from material UI. I'm going back, expand the code, copy this model. Means definitely we have to import model because we're using here the model, this one. So it's already available here. Yeah, before we grab from our demo projects all the imports which we have to use here, the text field, even the button. Okay, here we didn't have the body and handle close, open. So I'm going to import here use state which we already used in our previous project. Const the open, set open, use state, and by default it will be a false. Here on close, I'm going to pass here arrow function, and here set open will be false. Okay, just remove this description and title. Here we need a body. So for body, just check from here. Here we have body and this one. Paste. Okay, this one. It's okay, simple model, remove it, and we have to import model style and the classes. Go back, model style. Here we have model style and classes as well. So I'm going to copy classes, and here we have a use style, the paper styling here. Actually before we didn't import, so let's import this one, copy, paste here, get model style. Okay, this is a get model style. Yeah, here's a function actually which will show the model in center of the screen, our computer screen. I'm going to remove this random function because it's randomly give a position the model. So we created this model successfully, and in last thing we have to create on-click functionality. So let's go to our header. Here, yeah, sign up. So on-click, on-click, and here set open. Okay, true. Save. Now if I click here on sign up, here we have a model. Okay, now next step, we have to make something look like that. We need a logo. So I'm going back to my model and so remove all these things in div tag. Now we have just a model. So first thing, center this HTML code element, and this image I will just copy this one, which is our logo. I'm going to copy and paste it here. Perfect. We have here the Instagram logo. Site, make it 30. Okay, and in next step we have to create here form. After center, I'm going to create a form here and give a class. So class name app sign in form. So first thing we need here text field. Make it a variant and it's better if I go to my demo project and copy from here. So where it is, yeah, this one. I'm going to copy whole this label, the variant, put it here. I'm going to remove on change and the value because later we will give it. Now we have a text field here. Next step, we need username, email, and password. Two more fields, one for email and another for password. So again, I'm going to my demo project and I will copy even the button. I'm going to copy email field, password field, and the button. Here I'm going to paste it. Okay, now let's see what's happening here. We have here three fields, one for username here, and this one you can take from here as I showed you before. Go to text field API and in text field demo, here all these fields are available. Just you have to go expand this source code, copy from here. All the properties is here like placeholder, multi-lines, and the variant, label ID, everything is here. So you have to place here the variant or size you want. In password field, I just give the type, the password. Even the email, this text field we can pass here type email. So now make it give it some design because it should look like that. So I'm going to my app.css, app underscore sign in dot form for this one. Display flex, flex direction, column. Okay, and next thing, actually we have to give here some margin. So app form field, this class name, uh, it's available in all our three text fields, means what, username, email and password. Here we have a app underscore form field. So I'm going to copy, and here margin bottom 15 pixels. It's not working. Okay, make it important. Now perfect, it's good. Look like good. Here I think it should be some margin from our logo and the first text field. So in sign in form, margin drop 15 pixels. Okay, now it's very near, but this gap is more. This one I think, yeah, not 15, maybe it's 20. Now it's very near. Look like same. We can set our sign up form is ready. If I go back in our, so here localhost 3000, which is our current project. If I click on sign up, now we have a sign up form. Okay, that's for this tutorial. In next tutorial we'll design our sign in form.